Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ledger Live and enable blind signing safety, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type Ledger Live download into the search bar. Click on the official Ledger website link. Locate the download section for Ledger Live. Choose the correct version for your operating system. Click the download button. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Ledger Live. After installation, launch the Ledger Live application. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer. Unlock your wallet using your PIN code. If you are using Ledger Live for the first time, set up a new account. Once you're in the application, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Experimental Features section. Enable blind signing. Read the instructions carefully before confirming the activation. Blind signing enhances your transaction security. Remember, with blind signing enabled, you must verify all transaction details directly on your device. Finish configuring any additional settings as needed. You are now ready to use Ledger Live safely with blind signing enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.